10 things that you need to know about sending Instagram direct messages from the browser. 1. Download BlueStacks, which is a software that acts as an Android device on your PC. We shared the same software for our earlier tutorial to install WhatsApp on PC. 2. Once the download completes, install the software. It is an easy and straightforward process. 3. On completion of installation, click Finish. 4. Wait for a few minutes and let it configure by itself. After that, you will get a welcome screen. Click on right arrow. How to use Instagram direct message on the computer. 5. Next, it will ask for a Google ID. Enter your Gmail ID credentials and proceed forward by clicking on the arrow at the right-hand side. Use Instagram on PC. 6. When you're done with all this setup, a screen similar to the one attached below will appear. Click on Search. Use Instagram Direct on PC. 7. Type Instagram in the search bar and click on the Instagram app icon when it shows up. Search for Instagram in BlueStacks. 8. You will be redirected to Play Store. Click on Install. Install Instagram on PC using BlueStacks. 9. The app will get installed on your virtual Android device, BlueStacks. 10. After installation finishes, open the app. Click on Login at the bottom of the screen.